At the Rocky, they ran to base, bro. They literally ran to base. To the roof, Jeremy.
Okay.
To the roof.
Did they see us before? All right, maybe.
Front door.
Shit, that is.
Hit him in the head. They're about
Hey
to.
man, we're just. Kicks, get in!
Wait,
Get
actually?
out of here!
Yeah.
I'm on.
Reverse it. Reverse
Put it in
straight back.
reverse, Terry.
It's stuck.
Oh fuck.
It's stuck.
What?
Start
You
pushing.
have to
Start
push
pushing.
it?
Headshot him.
Jump. Open door.
Dead?
I have
Jump, jump,
HEs.
He's in there?
Got him,
Dead?
got him. There we go. All right.
It's trying to go.
Yeah.
Hit him.
I'm trying to wiggle it.
Where?
Oh my god, you
almost
got it.
Reverse, reverse.
Oh.
He's in.
What are you doing?
I killed him.
I'm dead. I'm dead outside.
Oh no,
dude.
I'm stuck inside, bro. It's alright. Wait, here, are we moving at least?
No, dude. We're not moving at all.
Shit.
Dude, here, cover me. Please watch that TC.
I'm dead, bro. I'm down.
No way. I don't understand. I don't. Sorry.
Why is he yelling at us?
What did I do? Oh, it's them, dude. No.
Wait, I'm cooking over here.
That was kicks that said ladder.
No, it's somebody in his chat, dude.
Come on, Terry.
I'll run over with the Thompson for now.
Dude, there's like... Yeah, I was trying to ult you guys, but I couldn't ult. Oh my gosh, Revy just killed me. Can't get back.
Getting cooked, bro.
I got close back.
Shit, loot hammers.
I'm dead, bro. I got fucking noob tubed.
Yeah.
I tried, bro.
How's it going?
Oh, I got my kit back.
Oh,
And my own line.